Today, we're going to be continuing on with our Iron 883 mod series by looking at the DK Customs chin spoiler for the Sportster. Stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be looking at the DK Customs chin spoiler for the Sportster, and we'll be doing a quick install and review. But as always, if you could hit that like, comment, and subscribe button below, and hit that bell and make it go ringy ding, you'll get notified of all future video uploads and help support the channel as well. So thanks for doing that. All right, so let's get started and open this box up. All right, so let's see what we got in the box. Well, there you have it. There's not much to it. You have the chin spoiler, you have your bracket, and you have a couple screws and some instructions to go along with it. Not much there. This is a really simple install. You're talking 5 screws, you need some Loctite, pretty easy. But the one thing I wanted to comment on was the chin spoiler itself. So this one is from DK Customs. This is a bit more expensive than the cheap Chinese ones that you're gonna find that are coming off eBay and Amazon. Now the reason why is that these are built a lot better. The material is a lot thicker and a lot more durable. Now the comments I've read on the ones you get from Amazon and eBay are they're very thin, they're flimsy, they crack easily, and they're just not quality made. The reason why I wanted to get this one from DK Customs is because it is quality made and is made here in America. And I prefer buying quality products just because I feel that the extra effort it takes to put into a quality product is worth the extra money, and they will last longer. But I really do feel that you get what you pay for, and they might be cheaper, like $30, 30, 40 bucks, but they're not as well made as this. Now, if you look at this closely, this is a much thicker material, it has a little bit more weight to it, and you can definitely tell it is just heftier and more sturdy. As well as this bracket is nicely made, it is thick, quality steel, and everything about this just feels quality. And I'm always a big advocate of buying from US manufacturers versus buying cheap stuff overseas that knock off stuff. And I've even heard that the Harley one, that's even more expensive, is not as well made as this one. It comes from DK, pre-primed in this semi-gloss black, and you can either run it as it is, or you can just paint it yourself, either with a rattle can or take it to a body shop. But since I'm going for this kind of semi-gloss black look, you know, I'm kind of mixing flat black and semi-gloss black, this will run fine on the Sportster as it is. So we're just gonna bolt this up real quick and see what it looks like. All right, so here we are. We're here on the Sportster. We're going to be installing the DK Customs chin spoiler on the Sportster. And you're gonna need a few tools. You're gonna need a couple sockets, and you're gonna need a torque wrench and some Loctite as well. Like I said, it's pretty easy install. There's just 2 bolts on this bracket to attach to the bike, and then there's 3 smaller bolts that go to the chin spoiler. So we're gonna get started here by mounting the bracket onto the bike. All right, so to start, we're gonna put some thread locker on these bolts. Just a little bit, because we don't want it to vibrate off. So the directions do say to tighten these bolts down to 12 to 16 foot-pounds of torque. So we are going to take our torque wrench and torque these to spec. And once we got the bracket mounted, then we need to mount the chin spoiler to the bracket using these 3 bolt holes over to those holes. And again, more Loctite as well. And you're just gonna wanna snug these up, not too tight because you don't wanna crack it. So just get it nice and snug. All right, so there you have it, the DK Customs chin spoiler install. Pretty simple install, only took about 10 minutes. Simple bolt on, but it makes a little bit of a style difference there. Functionality, it really doesn't do anything. It's all there for looks, really. But it gives the Sportster, the iron, a really cool, unique look. And I really dig the way this came out, so all in all, I think it's a good mod. And like I said, the quality is really nice, so you know, you spend a few extra bucks for the DK Customs over the knockoffs. But you know, it's your money, you can spend it how you want. If you want to try one of the cheaper ones, it's just up to you. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm hoping you are enjoying this mod series on the Iron 883. I have a lot more mods coming up. I have some work to do on the bike. I have things on order, parts coming in. And as always, hit that comment section below if you have any questions or any comments about the chin spoiler. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell to receive future notifications of new uploads. I'll catch you on the next one, and we'll continue on with this mod series. All right, YouTube. All right, see ya. Peace.